Hello guys, this is FairBinAryOptions.com, and we're looking at the the Great Britain pound and the US dollar, as we are front running a bit the UK economy, because the UK economy is going with full speed ahead, in the sense that today we had the retail sales in the United Kingdom and they were released much better than expectations, way better than expectations, and therefore cable made this move from 67.90 to 68.30. Anyways, only 40 pips is not the end of the world. Now, despite the better than expected retail sales, this is no, and mark my words, no bullish price action. And if this is no bullish price action, what we want to do is, of course, to buy put options as price is forming a possible contracting triangle from this moment of time. The triangle that I'm looking at might be this one here. So this to be wave, let me take a polyline from here to here, this to be the first leg of the triangle, or wave A, the B wave to the upside, then the C wave to the downside here, the D wave all the way here, and now to look for, so this to be something like this. Either, let me try this again. So this could be from this moment of time, sorry for that, it is a triangle, a non-emitting triangle that should reverse, or should break actually to the other side, so it should break to the downside. As this move here, you can name it as you want, but this is no impulsive move. And if this is no impulsive move, it means that this move here is only an X wave that ended at the lows, then to have the following triangle, wave A to the upside, the B wave all the way to the downside, A and B, the C wave here, most likely to be done with the highs today in the United Kingdom caused by the retail sales, and then of course the D wave. So in terms of the actual waves, this would be wave A of the triangle, then this to be the B wave, the C wave to be done here, looking for a D and E, and then for price to break lower. That would be my educated guess for the Great Britain pound. Ideally, but this is not mandatory, ideally the triangle or the E wave should end above these highs, but again, that is not mandatory. So looking for lower values, and as a consequence I would like to buy put options. Going into end of week trading, we are going to see probably some squeezes today, in the sense that flows in or out of the Euro Great Britain pound, that is the cross that is governing the moves of the majors, and it's actually moving only based on the differences between the majors. Well, that cross hardly influenced this pair, and not only this one but also the Euro US dollar. So I would say that based on those flows we will see some interesting situations to come. Now A, B, C, now we're looking for the D wave. In a contracting triangle, the B2D trend line is mandatory not to be broken by any parts of the future C wave or E wave. So basically this should be our B2D trend line. Let me make it a bit colored. So the D wave to the downside should come around here. Now this is Friday, and we are not expecting actually for price to move aggressively to, I don't know, something like 40 pips. It is not that much, but anyways, in this environment in which nothing really moves, 40 pips seems quite a distance. Nevertheless, I am bearish on the pair, and looking for price to go lower for end of day trading. So let's write here on the screen the conclusion of this, or the scenario that I'm looking for. This is a good place to to buy put options. So let's write here that we are buying put options with end of day expiration date. End of day would be today, by the time the New York markets or the New York the US session is going to end. So that would be our recommendation here on fairbinaryoptions.com. Now if you go on the website, you are seeing that our official sponsor for all these analyses and recommendations is Lionhype. So make sure you check also lionhype.com. Make sure you check out our binary options academy project that we are running on fairbinaryoptions.com with all those technical analyses and fundamental clues to be found there too. Thank you very much and have a great day. Have a great weekend too. Bye bye.